Welcome back to another Musket powder seasonings recipe. Today we're going to be making Red Label buffalo chicken. First, we're going to start by making our chicken brine. The full ingredients and instructions will be available on our website musketpowder.com. Next, we're going to start on our buffalo sauce. Add your red and white label musket powder, your hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, and slowly whisk in butter until emulsified. Next, we're going to start on our musket powder white label ranch. Add your creme fraiche, mayo, buttermilk, musket powder white label seasoning, lemon, red wine vinegar, Dijon, garlic, hot sauce, and chives. Whisk, add salt and pepper to taste, and you're done. Next, we're going to take the chicken out of the brine, pat it dry, and add it to a 220-degree Fahrenheit oven until it hits 165 degrees internal temp. Let it rest until it has cooled, and then transfer it to a fryer. Cook a second time until you have a nice even browning over the chicken. Toss in your buffalo sauce, and you're done.